Question 86. Which structures are likely found in viruses? A. RNA or DNA? Ribosome-esque, cell-walled, nucleus. Answer: A. RNA or DNA. Step by step. Viruses contain genetic material RNA or DNA. They lack cellular structures ribosomes, cell wall, nucleus. Answer: A. Question 87. The following are techniques you could apply during water sample collection, except A. Make ready standard sampling, storing, testing, and analysis materials. Collect composite water samples. Collect water from one-sided. Consider biological organisms. Timing and frequency of collection. Answer: C. Collect water from one site. Step by step. One site insufficient for comprehensive water quality assessment. Composite samples and multiple sites provide better data. Answer: C. Question 88. What feature distinguishes protozoans from helminths and arthropods? A. Life stages consisting of eggs, larvae, and mature adult stages. Multicellular organization, large in size, visible to naked eye. Reproduce quickly, usually asexually binary fission. Answer: D. Reproduce quickly, usually asexually binary fission. Step by step. Protozoans equals unicellular, reproduce by binary fission. Helminths or arthropods are multicellular with complex life cycles. Answer: D. Question 89. How does quantitative research differ from qualitative research? A. It uses interviews and observations. There is no formal measurement. It is an in-depth examination of one person's case study. It contains statistical analysis, formal and systematic measures. Answer: D. It contains statistical analysis, formal and systematic measure. Step by step. Quantitative equals numerical data, statistics, structured methods. Qualitative equals interviews, observations, case studies. Answer: D. Question 90. What is homeostasis? A. The body's attempt to maintain a relatively stable internal environment. The mechanism by which sense organs communicate with the control center. An internal and external structure of the body. The effective use of receptors in the body. Answer: A. The body's attempt to maintain a relatively stable internal environment. Step by step. Homeostasis equals stable internal conditions, temp, pH, etc. Involves receptors, control center, effectors. Answer: A. Question 91. What is the structural measurement in community studies that deals with the number of individuals per unit area? A. Diversity, species composition, population size, density. Answer D. Density. Step by step. Density equals individuals per unit area or volume. Diversity equals variety. Composition equals species list. Size equals total count. Answer D. Question 92. After conducting research and final reporting, uncovered and remaining components of the research can be mentioned in which section? A. Statement of the problem, results, recommendations, references. Answer C. Recommendations. By step. Recommendations section addresses limitations and future work. Results equals findings. References equals citations. Answer C. Question 93. The largest gland in the human body is A. Pancreatic gland, pituitary gland, adrenal gland, sweat gland. Answer: none of the above. The largest gland is the liver. Step by step. Liver is the largest gland and internal organ. Pancreas, pituitary, adrenal, sweat glands are much smaller. Answer: liver not listed. Question 94. Which of the following is not a requirement for commercially important fish? A. Optimum pH and salinity. Optimum fertilizer. Light. Dissolved oxygen. Answer B. Optimum fertilizer. Step by step. Fish require suitable water conditions, pH, salinity, dew, light. Fertilizer is used to stimulate primary production in aquaculture, not a direct fish requirement. Answer B. Question 95. Is true about the difference between monocots and dicots? A. Dicots have two embryos. Monocots do not have endosperm. Dicots have two cotyledons. Monocots and dicots have similar endosperm. Answer C. Dicots have two cotyledons. Step by step. Dicots equals 2 cotyledons seed leaves. Monocots equals 1 cotyledon. Both can have endosperm. 2 embryos is false. Answer C. Question 96. Which alternative shows how innate immunity protects the body against infection? A. Natural killer cells kill infected host cells. Neutrophils engulf bacteria. T cells kill infected cells or help activate other immune cells. Macrophages present germ parts to activate adaptive immunity. Answer B. Neutrophils engulf bacteria step by step. Neutrophils equals innate immune cells that phagocytose bacteria. NK cells are innate, but phagocytosis is classic direct defense. T cells equals adaptive. Answer B. Question 97. One of the following is true about the transmission modes of teniasis. A. By eating contaminated fruits and vegetables. During blood donation. By eating raw or undercooked infected meat. By drinking contaminated water and food. Answer C. By eating raw or undercooked infected meat step by step. Teniasis equals tapeworm infection from eating undercooked beef or pork with cysticerci. Eggs in food or water cause cysticercosis, not adult tapeworm. Answer C. Question 98. The property that distinguishes prokaryotic cells from eukaryotic cells is the presence of A. Membrane-bound organelles. Cytoplasmic. A plasma membrane. DNA. Answer A. Membrane-bound organelle step by step. Eukaryotes have membrane-bound organelles nucleus, mitochondria. Prokaryotes lack these. Both have cytoplasm, plasma membrane, DNA. Answer A. Question 99. Which organic compound contains one or more amino groups NH and one or more carboxyl groups Cu? A. Glycerol. Glucosic. Fatty acid. Amino acid. Answer D. Amino acid step by step. Amino acids have amino NH and carboxyl Cu groups. Glycerol equals alcohol. Glucose equals sugar. Fatty acid equals carboxyl only. Answer D. Question 100. Which process of cellular respiration occurs in the cytoplasm of a cell? A. Krebs cycle. Acetyl-CoA reaction. Glycolysis. Electron transport chain. Answer C. Glycolysis by step. Glycolysis occurs in cytoplasm. Krebs cycle cetyl-CoA formation. EC occur in mitochondria. Answer C.